This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and choosing the voice path. Install Android Studio and the Android SDK, then create a new Kotlin or Java app. Once done, add record audio and internet permissions and implement runtime permission requests so the app can capture audio. Decide whether to use cloud speech-to-text for accuracy or an on-device model for latency and privacy. Explain why one fits your app. Finally, add a basic activity with a microphone button and connect the chosen speech client. Now implement audio capture, streaming it to your transcriber. Use audio record configured for 16K HC, 16-bit PCM to match models, buffer and send frames in a background thread. Next, wire the Streaming Speech API or Android Speech Recognizer to receive interim and final transcripts. Once you have text, normalize it and map to intents, either with a tiny on-device NLU, pattern rules, or a hosted intent service. Make sure to handle edge cases. Silence, noise, and partial matches. Finish by converting intent results into user-facing responses and actions. Use Android text-to-speech or a cloud TTS. Set locale and optional SSML for natural pacing. Then implement action handlers. Launch activities, perform network calls, or update the UI, and ensure you run long tasks off the main thread. Finally, add telemetry and graceful error messages. If things go wrong, check logs, verify runtime mic permission, test with clean recorded audio, and reproduce steps to isolate whether recognition, NLU, or execution fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.